N-Methyl Pyrrolidone NMP has a series of excellent physical and chemical properties widely used in lithium battery, medicine, pigment, detergent, insulation materials, and other industries. The main application market is focused on the manufacture of lithium batteries. With a shortage of petroleum and people's concern for air pollution, get the new energy is very urgent as big production country for lithium battery as new energy power. Widely used in new energy car, digital 3C, and wide city energy in store, this new market is being explosive growth. With global attention and support to the new energy industry, there are big demands for electronic type NMP. Fengze company adhering to the quality first, honest and trustworthy, mutual benefit and mutual win business philosophy on the trust of many customers to establish a long-term cooperative relationship. Brand represents the competitiveness of enterprises. In 2017, we successfully registered the trademark of Western Fengze, and in 2019, the company was identified as a contract-abiding, trustworthy enterprise in Guangdong province. At the same time, the product has passed SGS RoHS new restricted substances and REACH halogen-free composition testing and other third-party metal ion testing. We continuously improve product quality service while the continuous improvement in warehousing and distribution successively in South China, Central China, Henan and other regions has 5,000 square meters NMP storage to provide efficient distribution services. In Zhuhai, Guangzhou, Wuhan, Shanghai, New City and other places set up branches to offer comprehensive support services to our customers.